welcome back to another episode of LBSG Survival Games. I'm here with Blizzard. Blizzard. Today we are not, tonight actually, the same night, we are not joined by Shadow Wolf because reasons. Woof. Okay, so, why don't we just get into this? Let me change back to first person and try to click things. So, right now we are under LBSG spawn. Or, as people call it, the secret room, I think? Is it called the secret room?
Yeah.
Was there a sign saying that, oh, this is a secret room, don't tell anybody? Yeah, everyone knows.
We have a game open.
Which one?
Ant Mound.
Ant Mound.
It's a new map.
Is it?
We haven't played it. Yeah.
Okay, then let's join it. Oh, I can't click on it because I haven't logged in. Again.
Sorry.
Haha. Okay. Now let's get in. I don't know, I tried to tap. Oh, we have played this one. A while ago.
Oh, we have. I remember now.
Hello. How are you?
I'm going over there.
I know. This is so sad. We are separated.
Where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go?
Trying not to get stuck again. How about that? Oh, it started already? Okay. I got the ball.
Alright, where are you? Most people didn't even go to spawn. Come on, I need a weapon.
It has a sword.
We are no longer invisible.
Invincible.
Oh no, I got stuck. Protect me.
Okay.
I can break out of this web. I'm out. Chase him. It's 2v1.
I can't.
Oh
can't
shit,
hit
I
it.
didn't mean to hit you, sorry.
I'm stuck.
I'll get you out. Wait, hold on.
There you go.
You kill him.
I got it.
I died to this guy. He's running. Get him.
He's lagging. Okay, let's go. Let's go back. Let's camp spawn. There must be some more stuff.
I need food.
There's iron leggings.
Oh my god, food. That's an iron chest plate.
I'll take the helm for now. So I can get a better helm.
Look, there's a down. I don't want to go down there though.
Do you think we can parkour up? Nah.
Doubt it.
Did you check that chest?
Which chest?
Oh, never mind.
Most of these chests I haven't checked yet. Remember to keep watching your back.
Yep.
Gonna unload some stuff I don't need in this chest.
People just ran off, hey?
Yeah. There's literally like, I think there's like one more person besides us.
I think there's two.
2 or 1, I forgot.
Yeah. There wasn't a lot of people playing this. Okay.
It started really fast.
Yeah. Just gonna eat some food. Probably because people didn't want to play Ant Mound.
It's not a bad map.
I mean, it's kind of empty. Okay, 1 more minute until the chest refills. So, we have to watch our backs. If someone attacks.
I killed that guy without split control. I might play with split control.
get some food in my hotbar.
I'm more used to split control.
Well, yeah, but if you want a PvP, the best is non-split control. There's like something on my screen.
Should we go hunt people?
Nah, let's just stay and spawn, since like we still have a few seconds before the chest refills. I think it's a few seconds. At least 30 seconds.
Loot spawn, right? And then crouch. Crouch down there so that people can't see us. And if they come to spawn, then yeah. Alright, loot it. Nope. Yes, 4 iron, 4 iron.
No one's here yet?
Nope.
Alright. I still need...
I'm passing it.
I need iron boots.
You also need a helmet. Iron boots in this chest.
Oh, I found one. Alright, watch our backs, watch our backs. Oh, there's someone over there.
Where?
Here.
Alright. Come in. He ran because there's 2 of us.
Alright, we should go back. Just in case someone...
No,
like...
I'm chasing him.
Okay, I'll stay at spawn then. Did you kill him?
No.
Is he killing you?
No. There we go.
Okay, there you go. Okay, there's one more left.
Yeah.
And I doubt that he'll come for us.
A bit low.
There's cake. I have cake.
Because like it lags, so then she got a few punches.
Yeah. Here. Does it work? Oh, someone behind you.
Where?
Over here.
Where? I can't see him. You have to kill him. I can't see him. Sorry.
Oh, you hit me.
No. I can't see him. Where
We can see you, I think. I got his health down.
Go kill him. I can't see him.
Shit.
Oh, I see his footprints.
Ow.
Where is he?
Oh, it's so laggy on an Android.
I can barely see his footprints.
God damn it. Don't hit me. Oh, I'm so happy.
If you're gonna die, just run. If you're gonna die, just run. Are you even landing anything on him?
Yeah.
I'll run after you, like, back up. So then he's scared.
Oh, yes. Oh, my God. Oh, thank God. My heart's, like, pounding. Alright. Good thing I have food.
Alright, what do you want to do?
2 survivors left. Oh, yeah, it's us.
Just me.
You wanna
No armor.
let my health regen? You're probably gonna win since I'm lagging.
No armor for this fight.
Alright. Hold on, let me regen first. Yeah, my skin's definitely cuter than yours. Yo, you have an iron sword?
What are you talking about? I have a potato.
Uh-huh.
Tell me when you're fully healed.
Alright. I have 3 more hearts until I'm healed. Alright. That was great. That was great. Doesn't deathmatch start in like
Yeah, it
a
starts in
minute?
1 minute.
Yeah. Let me regen my health.
Alright, wait, don't punch.
Yeah.
3, 2.
Put your sword away.
It's not a sword. It's a
It
potato.
was. Oh God, I can't see.
I could barely hit you. And now you see no split control.
Oh god. Wait, this is so hard to go.
Why is it so hard to kill you?
Oh god.
Oh god. There's so many punches on you. Oh god.
Go down, go down, go down. Oh yes, yes. Oh, that was a great game. That was a great game. Where are you? Oh, there you are. GG, GG. That was great. That was great.
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna end this one here. It has been great winning the second time in a row for me. Since I killed another person in the last round. That was fun. Although there wasn't like a lot of people in that game, but still.
I got most kills though. I got most kills.
From last time or this time?
This time.
How many people did you kill?
I killed two people.
I killed
no,
two.
I killed two people. You killed two people.
Yeah, I killed you and that other guy that you couldn't see. Right?
So it's a tie.
Yeah, it was a
And
tie.
Shadow's still losing.
But it was fun. It was fun. Knowing that I won. I'm still shaking, but that was
I am too.
great. Okay, so we're just gonna.
Adrenaline in game.
Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna end it here. I'll see you next game.